and we're gonna present our SIGNLAB project. So to begin with, we'll explain what our project is about.
So in this project, we are to show various colors on the map to represent the daily weather temperature from 9,000 plus weather stations around the world. This is done by the dataset called Global Surface Summary of the Day, or GSOD, that we have gathered provided by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration of United States Department of Commerce. This dataset is basically records of the daily weather measurements. With the imported library base map, we are able to generate the world map and be able to plot our gathered data.
So in simple words, we gathered data from the internet through GSOD, which in that set of data it composes of the different temperatures, the temperatures per each day of the year, and the geographical location of different weather stations, sorry. So yeah, and we're gonna display it on a map with different colors representing different temperatures. So yeah, let's start. So to start off, we had to use base map. We imported base map, which is a library that will allow us to display or generate a map, and also matplotlib, pyplot, and CSV. Also, we imported named tuple. So where do we begin? So we prepare the map initially. So through base map, we use the projection of mil, and here it shows the specifications of the to be displayed map. So, and next is we set an array for the stations. Next would be preparing the stations. So through CS, we're gonna have to import the CSV file stations, which we got from the internet, which stations, this CSV file contains the longitude and latitude of different weather stations around the globe. So here is the CSV file. This one. So this is the CSV file. It displays different data. USAF, WBAN. WBAN is weather. It represents something about weather gathering. We forgot. So here is the latitude and the longitude, which is the most important details in this file. So there we have different latitudes and longitudes for different weather stations. So these are the names of the weather stations. There are quite a lot. Sorry. Yeah. So here, so we import and we name it as score file. So csv.reader will read score file or the imported CSV file. And here, this will be this will generate or collect the data regarding the different longitudes and latitudes of the weather stations. So once that is done, we are gonna prepare our temperature reading. So a downloaded file, the CSV 2018 CSV file, contains the different temperatures of 365 days in a year. So we import that as temp file, and we collect the data through here so that we could display it on the map. So this length here will shows
So once the second CSV file is read, then it will print done. So from line code 45 until from this line code until here, it corresponds to the date from January 1. These attributes, the attributes from both datasets correlate by matching the weather station number and aggregating the data into a world map for each day of the year. So it starts from January 1 of 2018, then up to present. Then the line code here, this is for the base map, for the countries, for the states, just for the display. Then this one, we save the picture from its location, from where the data is.
So since the system takes a lot of time in running the program, we did it in advance, so we'll show you. So we ran the file, so there it prepared the map, done. It prepared the stations, done. And it prepared the temperature, so done. So after that, the program will collect and show the different temperatures in a map. And once each process is done, the program will save that file, the photo, in the folder that the program is saved in. So we have here how many samples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we sampled only 13 days, because it takes a lot of time to run the whole amount of days in a year. So what we got was saved maps. So here's the output that we got from the program. So it shows the different temperatures with colors representing the temperature, and scatter plots representing the different weather stations around the world. So there's a color bar which represents the temperature depending on how hot or cold a place is. So this is, as we scroll, so we can see that this is the reading for January 5 and then January 6. January 7, 8, 9, so on and so forth. So that is our project. Have a nice day.